Living like a race, yeah. Ay, living like a race.
Take it easy, working 94.
Living like a race. Ain't no sign of stopping, no more pace. I can see them plotting, it ain't safe. She know that I got it on the way. Told her get up.
What's up, guys? So welcome back to the channel, by the way. Today we are going to be changing our side mirror blinkers. I'm going from the OEM ones to the DMP dynamic ones. They look pretty good. I'm actually really excited to use these. They look really sharp. I got the ones that turn on with the white light, and then of course the blinker will be the orange. They do come smoked. I thought that was pretty unique, so I already extended the wire on it. Oh. So this is what they look like. So OEM, I decided to do it because this was actually getting real dim, and I think, well, not I think, I know there's water in there. I don't know how though, but I guess it shorted it out, and it still worked, but it just wasn't as bright. So I ordered these. These were about like 80 bucks shipped, and I got them within the week. I like it though because it's real smoked, and they look good. I did a test earlier. I should have recorded it, but I'm gonna put these on and I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. So give me a few and I'll get right back to you. All right, just to give you guys an update, I already took out the old lens. I'm gonna be posting a before and after pic at the end, but this is what it looks like now. I think it looks good. And of course, I'll have the link for how to take off the covers right here. It's really easy, and to remove this, it's just 2 screws. Took me about 10 seconds, not even that crazy. And just to let you guys know, whenever you do order from DMP, it actually comes with everything you need. So of course it comes with the two blinkers, and then it does come with the pry tool, and it comes with the little magnetic torque screw tool, so it helps a lot. But yeah, pretty simple, straightforward packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and install the other one, and I'll let you guys see what it looks like afterwards. All right, guys, just a quick update. So I got the cap off. In order to run the extended wire, this is to make sure you have that colored light aside from the amber color, whether you get blue or white. So I actually want that to show, but you actually got to take off, well, from what I see, because I don't have the motorized mirrors, so I'm running it to a power supply, 12-volt power supply. I'm just gonna run it to the courtesy light down there. I'm gonna run this wire through here, and I popped off a cap at the bottom. So if you just put like a flathead or screwdriver in there, you just give it a little tap, the bottom will come out. It's like this right here. It just pops right out. And this is the bottom side. So you're gonna pull the wire through that and then run it up. Or I guess you don't even have to pull it through, but I just did it. And then run it up and through here, so that way it gets into the door. So I did have to take off the bolts to actually remove the mirror. Now I'm just gonna run this inside the door. All right, so now I got it back on the car. This is what it looks like. I think it looks pretty dope. It looks really, really good. But just so you guys know what I did, put the bolts back on, and as you can see under here, I have my extended wire right there, that red one. It's completely out of the way. It's not pinched at all. And I'm about to put the cap back on. But before I do, I just want to show you guys that it does work. This is just the unlock real quick. Damn, looks good. But I do want the white light with it to work. So now I'm about to run this wire to a 12-volt source, and I'll give you guys an update. All right, guys, here's a little update for you. So of course I ran the wire through here, and I was gonna wire it down to my my projector light down here, this one down here, the courtesy light. But I actually went to Flex's page, man. We all know Flex, and he was saying that on this white plug right here, there's a huge red wire, and there is. It's taped up, obviously, but there is a red wire in there with a white stripe. You can kind of see it right there. You just tap into that. I just taped it around. I spliced into it because my, I don't even know what you call these, but this little crimp thing broke. So I just had to, you know, modify it. But it works. I'm gonna put this together. I'm gonna put this all back together, you know, make it look nice. Put my door back together, and then I'll show you guys what it actually looks like. I did do a test, and it looks amazing. And I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like at night as well. All right, real quick, guys, I'm on the other side, the passenger side. I just wanted to give you guys a before look because I didn't do it on the other one. So this is the before, clear lens. And I'm about to pop it off and put on the new ones, and I'll show you what the after looks like. All right, so here's an updated pic of it back on the car. Looks pretty dope. All right, got everything on, looks pretty sharp. So this is just to show you guys what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see the lights okay. It is daytime. So, bam. They don't blink. I don't know why it's doing that. It's got to be the frames. Then it'll stay like that for a little bit, and then when you open the door, it goes away. And then when you lock it, it does the same exact thing. Stays on for about 10 seconds, and then shuts off. Alright, it's nighttime, so I want to give you guys an update. That's what it looks like whenever I unlock the car. Damn, that looks good. Love it. And then it'll shut off. That's it.
Living like a race, yeah. Ay, living like a race.
Take it easy, working 94.
Living like a race. Ain't no sign of stopping, no more pace. I can see them plotting, it ain't safe. She know that I got it.